You want to learn how to make chocolate ganache? You come to the right place. Today I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to make chocolate ganache with just a few ingredients. Hi, I'm Diette and welcome to Turtle's Tasty Treats, where we make baking from scratch easy. Now let's jump right in. We're going to start with 4 ounces of some good chocolate and we're going to chop it on up. Let's get the chopping. Now, the chocolate that I'm using is semi-sweet. I feel like it's the best of both worlds. Now that my chocolate is all chopped up, I'm going to take my tablespoon and I'm actually going to add 8 tablespoons to my pot. And I'm going to let it go ahead and heat on up, heat on up. Let my heavy cream heat on up. Now I'm checking my cream to see when the bubbles will begin to form. And at that point, I'm going to add my chocolate. Ooh. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt and 2 teaspoons of butter. Now I'm going to begin to mix, taking it off the heat. To this, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. That was a little bit more than a teaspoon, but it's going to be all right. All right, I just want to give it a little stir. But that is the consistency that I was looking for. And guess what? We're done. You can let it sit down just a few, maybe 2-3 more minutes just to bring the temperature down just a little bit more. But I'm ready to add this to my chocolate cake, where you can add it to cakes, cupcakes, pretzels, Rice Krispie treats, marshmallows, anything that you think is tasty. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.